Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your Instagram message general and primary option not appearing. So if you're going on your message on Instagram and you're not getting this primary and general section, basically the issue is because your account is a personal account. If you have a personal Instagram account, you're not going to get this feature. To get this feature, you need to have a business or a creator account. And to get a business or a creator account, you just need to click on your profile picture on your Instagram at the bottom right and click on the 3-line at the top left. Once you're over here, click on where it says settings. Once you're inside setting, scroll a bit down and click on this option called preferences. From preferences, click on switch account type and click on switch to business account or switch to creator. Now I currently have creator account, that's why it's showing me the option of personal account, but in your case it should not. Once you do that and you switch your account to a creator or a business, it should appear over here. And if it's still not appearing, then go on your chat section like this and physically shake your phone, okay? Once you physically shake your phone, your report section will automatically open up. Click on report a problem, click on include and continue. And over here, explain your problem like this. My chat section doesn't have the primary and general tab. Can you help me fix it? Click on send and this report will be sent to Instagram. Instagram staff will view it and they'll help you fix your problem. That's how you guys can fix your Instagram message general and primary option not showing. Hit the subscribe to our channel how to guide. I'll see you guys next time.